Guys, if you are running late or want something quick, healthy and super tasty, this mixed vegetable sandwich is perfect for you. It gets ready in just 10 minutes and works beautifully for lunch boxes, dinner or even a quick snack. So come, I'll tell you how to make it. I have very finely chopped 2 carrots, 2 green bell peppers and some green peas in my manual chopper. You can totally customize this, add sweet corn, spinach, green beans, whatever veggies you like. Then heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, add 1 heaped teaspoon of grated ginger followed by green chilies. You can always adjust the green chilies as per your spice level. Saute the ginger and chilies for a couple of minutes and then add all the chopped vegetables and season it with some salt and black pepper. Keep the flame on high and saute continuously. We want the veggies crunchy, not soggy. That's very important. This step hardly takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Then once the veggies are just cooked but still have a bite, switch off the gas. Finish it with freshly chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Alright, now comes the protein boost. Grate about 50 grams of paneer directly into the hot vegetable mixture. If you are a vegan or watching calories, simply replace paneer with tofu. The taste and texture are equally amazing. Since the gas is already switched off, the paneer or tofu softens gently without releasing water. Mix everything well and let the stuffing cool down completely. Our flavorful, high-protein stuffing is ready now. Now let's assemble our sandwich. So take 2 slices of bread. On one slice, I'm applying a generous layer of butter. You can use regular or melted butter. Just make sure to spread it nicely on all the corners. On the second slice, I'm applying tomato ketchup. You can totally customize this part. Use green chutney, mustard sauce, cheese spread, hung curd, or even mayonnaise if you like. Basically, any spread that you enjoy in your sandwiches will work beautifully here. Now add a generous amount of prepared vegetable stuffing. Spread it evenly so every bite is full of flavor. Then sprinkle some oregano, chili flakes, as well as some chaat masala. Chaat masala is optional. Then place the other bread slice on top and gently press it. There we go. Now I'm using an electric sandwich griller. Apply some oil on the grill. Then place the sandwich inside. Apply a little bit of oil on the top and grill it for about 4 to 5 minutes. There is no strict timing here. You can always open and check. Just make sure not to leave for too long or it may burn. And that's it guys. Our quick, healthy and delicious mixed vegetable sandwich is ready. Serve it with some fresh salad and some seasoned Greek yogurt by the side. Bye bye.